guys, I am going to sing Braja from Fullmetal Alchemist in the English version. Tell me what you think. Otherwise, it would suck. How can I repay you, brother mine? How can I expect you to forgive? Clinging to the past, I shed our blood and shattered your chance to live. Though I knew the loss, I paid no heed. How can I return your wasted breath? What I did not know has cost you dear, for there is no cure for death. Beautiful mother, soft and sweet, once you were gone, we were not complete. Back through the years we reached for you, our last was not meant to be. And how can I make amends for all that I took from you? I led you with hopeless dreams. My brother, I was a fool. Don't cry for the past now, brother mine. Neither you nor I are free from blame. Nothing can erase the things we did. The path we took was the same. Beautiful mother, soft and sweet, once you were gone, we were not complete. Back through the years we reached for you, our last was not meant to be. My dreams may be blind and mute. I long to return to that time I followed without a word. My brother, the fault is mine. So where do we go from here? And how to forget and forgive? What's gone is forever lost. Now all we can do is live. Okay, I had a couple stumbles and a frog in my throat halfway through, but hopefully I'll like it. Okay.